Mike here again with Eastside Property Solutions. We are on the final walk of this Taylor's Ridge bathroom. As you can see, it's a brand new bathroom. This is not a wood floor, this is a tiled floor. A lot of these houses had carpet before, so we updated that. New vanities, quartz countertop, mirrors. A lot of these houses had big giant tub decks right here, like this one used to have. On the shower side, this used to have a wall right here and a door, as most of these opened up to the space. Kind of made the shower feel really small and the toilet room crampy. So opening that up gave a little more room. This shower here, it was a standard fiberglass stall. As you can imagine, about 33, 44, something like that. They gave it a couple more inches either direction and some nice finishes hardware-wise. Shampoo niche. This one's even got a little toe bench down here for shaving your legs. A lot of these homes have medicine cabinets, and sometimes getting a door for them can be challenging just to match the cabinetry. So we just make our own and paint it to match. So it's completely custom. So that wraps up this bathroom. We did one more bathroom in this house and we'll take you over there and check that one out. Bathroom number 2. So this one was the same layout. Obviously it's the hall bathroom. This one's basically just got a refresh. New tile floors, new vanities, countertops, mirrors, lights, new tiled shower, decorative niche. When you walk up the stairs from the main house, you see this instead of a plain wall. Just little accents, little decoration. Quartz sill in here to tie the two elements together. Once again, if you see something you like on these bathrooms, call us, Eastside Property Solutions. We're booking for 2025.